How to edit or delete your post or comment on Reddit. Posted something you want to tweak or take back on Reddit? Don't worry, editing or deleting is super easy. Let me show you how. To edit a post or comment, go to your post or comment on Reddit, desktop or mobile app. Tap the three dots next to it. Select Edit from the menu. Make your changes and hit Save. Done. Your content is updated instantly. To delete a post or comment, again tap the three dots next to your post or comment. Select Delete. Confirm when asked, and boom, it's gone. Remember, once deleted, it can't be restored, so double check first. Pro tip: deleted comments will show as deleted. Your username disappears, but the thread stays. Deleted posts will disappear entirely from your profile and the subreddit. And that's it. Now you know how to clean up or fix your Reddit content like a pro. Whether it's a typo or a total change of heart, you are in control. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.